Hello everyone, hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jayashri. Obviously, you won't be knowing me if you're following my channel. If not, then yes, I'm Jayashri, and today I'll be talking about the academic profile which got me into IIM Raipur, right? Apart from that, I think this is the first time I'm sitting and like recording, shooting something. Generally, I do post essay travel vlogs and stuff like that, or just essay vlogs like that. I've never sat and talk about things, right? But I thought let's share some information also, let's have some informative videos as well. So yes, I'm taking this initiative to support me, guys, please please please. And yes, so let's get started, right? So the profile which got me into IIM Raipur, first I would like to tell about my background. So I have like I come from a diverse background as such, because I have a medical and pharmaceuticals background. I completed my bachelor's of pharmacy, and I completed this year only, like 2024, right? So yes, switching from pharmaceutical to MBA, and that also general MBA, not of healthcare management MBA. So that was a little tough decision. But what happened was, when I was towards the end of my third year, I realized that I'm more interested towards the business side of the pharmaceutical sector, and therefore I thought of pursuing an MBA. And regarding this, I started my CAT prep in October 2022, like November 2022 itself. Because for me it was a little difficult, as my background from standard 11 was always bio and everything. Maths was out of the picture for me. So then again, coming back to quants and DILR, all those stuff was a little different for me. So the moment I decided I'm going for MBA or CAT prep, I started it. I did not delay it even by a day. So yes, apart from that, people do ask me whether it was difficult switching. So I won't say it's like very very difficult. It was, yes, it was a little challenging, because the stream changed, subjects changed. Maths I've left, though I liked maths, but then I did not have it as a subject in my undergrad or even standard 11 and 12. So yes, but then it's not difficult or best, because it just requires a little consistency and a little dedication. Just requires you to put 2 hours every day, or depending on what is your intellect level, or even 1 hour works for some people. So it's just that, nothing more than that. Apart from that, if I talk about my profile, so I secured 92% in standard 10 ICC, then 93% in CBSE standard 12, and in grad I have 9 CGPA. So my profile is 999, and it is kind of a good profile in MBA. So yes, my profile was good, I agree, academic profile was okay. Apart from that, I did not have a work experience which CAT considered. Like I worked in an organization for few months, but then it was after I filled the CAT form, and also it was before my graduation. So CAT does not consider any work before your graduation, so it wasn't considered. So I was a fresher. Apart from that also, I did internships, but those internships are also not considered by CAT, right? So yes, this was my profile. Now when I gave cap interview, so cap, if you all know, it is the common admission process, and 10 IIMs together take an interview and decide whether to like prepare their merit list on that basis itself, right? So but the problem is cap is, the problem in it is that different colleges have different they give different weightage to different criterias. For example, there are many criterias, right? Academic diversity is there, profile is there, like 10 12 and grad marks. Apart from that, gender is there, a lot of things. Cat percentile weightage is different, so it varies from college to college, right? So there's no fixed criterion for whether what weightage a particular college gives, because it varies year to year as well, right? Also my cat percentile was 97.56 percentile. But then it does not mean that, there are many students in our college who have got admission at a much lower percentile, and there are like diversity is there, and I belong to general non-reserved category, right? So, and it is not a like confirmation or anything. You cannot predict whether you will get into an IM or not at 90 percentile or even at 99. It depends on various factors, the cutoffs, the number of applicants, and as well as your PI performance, because PI plays a major role in deciding whether you get the convert call from the college or not. Getting calls is a much easier task, but then converting the PIs actually lets you know whether you are getting into the college or not, right? Apart from the IIMs, I in the all the 10 IIMs which the CAP took, I converted all of them except Udaipur, wherein I was in the waiting list. So, but then I had to take a decision whether I wanted to join Raipur or not, because Raipur's date was about, like, the deadline of registration and confirmation was near. So then I decided to join IIM Raipur, and after that I did not also keep a track of whether what happened to the Udaipur waiting list, because I was happy coming here, and this was one of the best decisions. I feel like, yes, it is a very good place to be. Apart from IIMs, in non-IIMs, and I converted IFT Kolkata, and then I converted MDI Gurgaon. Then there were 2-3 more. I converted SIBM. So there were 2-3 more good colleges in like other IIMs, like other non-IIMs, which I converted. These were them. And apart from this, people do ask me whether it was tough switching from a medical or biology background to MBA. Yes, it was a tough decision to take, but then it wasn't that difficult for me, because I was passionate about doing it. So if you have the passion, it's not difficult, and cracking CAT is also not difficult. So this was everything. Apart from that, I think I told you guys everything which I planned of telling. And if there's something else you want to know, like switching from the background like medical to hair, or anything else in general about CAT, so please let me know in the comment section, and I'm no expert in this, but I'll try my best to tell you things which I've learned from my experience, right? So this is there. And yes, okay, this was all I wanted to say. Chalo, abhi I have to go. I have to have my dinner also. So yes, bye guys, take care, and please चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वीडियो को लाइक कर देना इफ़ पसंद आया हो तो, बट इन केस पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ कर देना, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन मिल जाता है. चलो, बाय गाइस, टेक केयर.